Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to charge your DYU electric bike battery. So there's two ways you can do it. You can either charge it straight while the battery is on the bike through the charger port there. So you just plug it in right there and it charges up. Or you can take the battery off. So for that you need the key. So I've got the key here. So you get the key. There's a lock there. Can you see here? Right there. So you turn the key to the left. That's unlocked that now. Very heavy battery, bloody hell. Okay. So now you take it off. As you can see, if you press it here, you can see the charge level. So this is fully charged at the moment. So then, yeah. So the way you charge this, when it's off the thing, you plug in right there. Can you see that? So you get that UK pin adapter, plug straight in there, charge it up. Very nice. And yeah, this is a very heavy battery actually. No wonder this bike is so hard to lift up. Alright, and then when you're finished, you got the pins there. You slide into place. And with the key you need to lock it the opposite way. Okay, so you dropped in. Push it all the way in and then lock it up. And yeah, that's the two methods to charge this. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.